In this video, I will teach you how to save between 10 to 25% when shipping your items from your eBay store or any other merchant-fulfilled platforms using a free service. Here you can see the shipping cost for my eBay order. Medium flat rate box is too small for my item, so I chose priority mail package, which is $12.71. Also note that you always want to check FedEx too. When dimensions or weight of the box increases, then USPS prices begin to get ludicrous. So make sure to also check FedEx shipping cost, as the same shipping duration costs at least 40% off of USPS's price. So after we figure out that $12.71 is the lowest price we can get from eBay, we will go over to pirateship.com, which is a free service that uses USPS's cubic priority mail shipping. Pirateship integrates with eBay and many other e-commerce platforms. We are not affiliated with them. After inputting the same boxed weight and dimensions into Pirateship, you can see that the price of the same box went down in about $2. This is a huge saving, especially if you ship a lot of items each month. The cubic priority mail shipping is not cheaper at all times, but we always check it to see if we can save money on shipping. So let's summarize. eBay's USPS price was $12.71 and Pirateship's cubic price was $10.73. The difference is almost $2. Next, I want to show you how to save an additional 1.5 to 2% off of Pirateship's price. To be honest, it's very simple. All you gotta do is to pay for the shipping using a cashback credit card. In our case, we saved an additional 2%, which takes off about 20 cents. Our total shipping savings came out to $2.19. Those numbers can add up, especially if you ship a lot of items. Another money-saving tip regarding Pirateship is that they have extremely good insurance rates, and to insure shipments using their insurance was cheaper than any other carrier 100% of the time. Sometimes the shipping cost will be a little higher, but when you need to add insurance to it, it will still be cheaper. So please check out this site in order to save some money on your shipping. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the like button.